Okay, I already feel like getting it out of the box has been half of the battle because this box was inside that box, and it seems like there's another freaking box inside. There's a lot of boxception happening here, and I'm not vibing with it. I need to smoke and probably take off this blanket hoodie before I get overstimulated. We'll start here. No, you can't get inside of that box. You already tried to get inside the other box, and it was bigger. You're definitely not going to get inside this one. I promise. Woo, okay. I'm already feeling more confident about this. Let's move the cat tree out of the way. Slippers aside. Is this something I should be trying to do right now? Probably not, because I literally hurt my ankle at pole class like a week ago. And that's what I did. I banged it on the pole really good. Did I go to the doctor about it? No. But the swelling is going down. The bruising is getting better. It was purple and now it's kind of yellowy and it's fine. If I go to the doctor, they're just going to be like, you bruised the shit out of your bone. I'm like, yeah, I know. Thank you. Here's $200 for an x-ray. There's a lot of these little circle-y things coming out of here. Okay, so... Oh, they're in... Each segment is in a tube. This is not at all how I imagine this coming back. There's another segment. And then I had to buy one that was like extra tall because I have really high ceilings here. My boyfriend measured them for me and they're like 8 feet 11 inches or something like that. It's like really tall. Almost 9 foot tall ceilings. The one I originally was gonna buy would not have cut it. Oh my god. Alright, okay. We got everything out of this segment. Just keep pulling it out. Yeah. Alright. I've never seen something packed like this. It is so weird. Right, there's nothing in that anymore either. Okay, so this I believe is either my base or my part that goes up against the ceiling. Now, I honestly didn't look too much into the fact, like, whether this should be on carpet or not. I read a few things and it said it was fine, so we're gonna go with it. All right, that's all the things. I've lost a little Allen key here. So, the Amazon reviews. Most people said I was not able to put it up by myself. But I am not most people, so we'll see what happens. I do have a ladder, so that's something. Yeah, this is a piece that goes on the floor, and then I believe the wide piece goes on the ceiling. I believe. Yeah, we're hoping it doesn't slide on the carpet. We'll see. It's Amazon, so we can always return things. Not the end of the world. What are these sticks for? I'm not getting too ahead of myself here. I'm pretty sure I'm going to need to use all of these extension pieces. Yeah, this is definitely the piece that goes on the ceiling. They have like little silicone grippies, so it like really clings. And it shouldn't leave damage. Oh, there's my ball bearing for my spinning. I'm so excited about this, y'all. All right. Instructions. Can you see this cartoon? It's like, don't throw the instructions away or you're gonna regret it. I won't. I also read that someone said that the instructions absolutely suck ass, and they were like, thank you so-and-so for your video review where you like put it together. So we'll see how this goes. I may end up having to look it up. Okay. Yeah, there's no words. It's just pictures. We're just going on vibes here. So let me open up all of these. I'm hoping they have numbers or something. Because I'm supposed to know which one's which. I guess the length of them. Also, this is the crappiest tape I've ever seen in my life. It just pops right off. Okay. This is heavy. I don't know why I never expected this to be this heavy. It's got a whole weight, so it makes sense, but... Oh my god, my cat went in the box. Hold on. What are you doing in there? It's a pretty small box, ain't it? Sighed at me. You enjoying yourself? You're very flat inside of there. Army crawl. Oh, thoroughly enjoying himself. Uh-oh. Pike's coming. Pike, he's in there. Get him. Hi, bubbies. Step stool. I took my tapestry down. I unpacked everything. This actually isn't that difficult. I had a little bit of a mishap where I put in something the wrong way and it almost got stuck, but a little bit of tappies with this. We got it out. All right, so base. This is our first part. She spins or she locks somewhere. Or not. Well, you know, do the thing. There we go. She spins or she locks. Then we're gonna put our extension on. That's where I fucked up. I did not put the extension on first. I put like one of the finishing pieces on. And it comes with this little metal stick, so you can really like screw it in and make it strong. I did that. It did not want to come off. All right, so that's part 2. Next step is to attach this longer length of pole. Let's get up here. I need the short guy. Should put it in my pocket or something. This one. And the shorter one. And there's a little cap piece that goes on here, and then the top. And then I think what I'm honestly going to need the second person for is to just hold this up while I'm doing the like minor adjustments. It came loose, don't want that. Okay. Now this little cap piece. Gorgeous. And le piece de résistance, our cap. It just slides right on. Okay, so where's my X? I do need to move this over just like a smidge. That's better. There's my X. Probably get away with it being just like, yeah, that's literally perfect. Okay, that's more centered than I actually thought it was going to be. It's still a little bit back further, but I can live with this. All right, so now what I need to do, which is definitely where the second person comes in handy, is to adjust this piece at the bottom so that it is snug against the ceiling. So yeah. Bring it back down. There's 3 screws here that are tightened and loosened with this Allen key. It was already pretty loose. It'll be easier if I lock this into place. Oh, I see. It's unscrewing. It's getting taller. Very slowly. But it is getting taller. A little rickety here. So this is enough length. I'm really gonna tighten these pieces. Let me take a brief hold here. We're getting close. I gotta give it quite a bit of length. So it came with these sticks, and I was like, what are these sticks for? It's to really like lock in these poles. Oh, the other way. Do you like my disgusting old level that the construction crew left here when I moved in? It's gorgeous, I know. All right, so. Yeah, we're a little off kilter. I need to be this way a little bit more. So. Just loosen her a smidge. Feels better. Let's see. Oh, perfect. That is, oops, perfect. Okay. All right, so that definitely needed a little extra something. Let me see if I can. Tight as I'm gonna get it. Alright. Now the goal is to just really get a good amount of tension on this. I truly don't know how much tension you want though. Does it tell me? No. It just says tighten screws and finishing adjustment. Static mode, spin mode. Just says to make sure it's flush against the ceiling, which it is. Sounded like something moved in the ceiling. There's a sprinkler nearby, so I don't want to fuck with it too much. I mean, that seems pretty damn solid to me. I'm not gonna be doing anything like swinging around on it, so I think that's probably fine. Let me tighten my screws back down here again. That's better. It's not like it's wobbly now. All right, I think that's all she wrote, boys. I think that's all she pulled. I was like, I lost one of my little sticks here somewhere. Where the fuck? Found it. Definitely gonna keep those instructions. So I'm not gonna live here forever. My hands are incredibly sweaty right now, so like, I'm just gonna slide. Hold on, let me get some pole grip. Let me wipe down the pole and get some pole grip. Okay. you got sweaty hands like me, isopropyl is your bestie. I mean, if you're a stoner like me, it's already your bestie. I need to put some of this in a spray bottle to make my life easier. But always want to clean your pole. Make sure there's no lotions or oils or anything on it that's going to make you slip. Also, it's brand new and kind of gross from the factory, so definitely want to make sure it's clean. Wiping any oils or anything off your hands is also super helpful. Pole grip is basically like, I don't know, just like liquid chalk is like the only way that I could describe it. That was way too much. Shut this light off. It's very bright. Yeah. It's like, yeah, it's like liquid chalk, essentially. I always put it on and then let it dry a little bit. It's like, definitely has rubbing alcohol in it, make it dry really fast. You just shut my blinds. I don't need all my neighbors to see me miserably polling. So that's what I want to get good at, because I want to be able to do cradle, and I can't fucking hold myself in those positions for very long. I can't hold myself up at all. I have like no upper body strength. It is rough. This also doesn't spin super well. Bearings could have used a little bit of lube love. I'm trying to not like kill myself on my dresser in front of me. I think this is definitely going to be a really good tool to help me get conditioned enough to feel better about myself in class. But yeah, if you want to see my pole journey, follow me, I guess. Subscribe, I smoke weed and do stuff. That's like my thing. Thanks, YouTube.